当然，那我把这个音关掉了，可以把这个全部都关掉了。
Okay, guys, can you hear me? Okay, can you see my screen, my camera, the machine? And can you hear
Yeah,
me?
yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
no problem. So we start begin, okay?
yeah.
Okay.
先讲。Okay, you can see this is model of TB686. I have already removed the shell. So I think guys, you already know how to remove the shell, right? The screws, you can see it and remove the screws and you can get it. This one like this. So this machine, the whole machine, about the hardware, I will divide into 5 parts. The first one is the front shell parts. It's very easy. So, and the second one will be movement part, movement component. And the third one will the main component. And the fourth is the filter component. So we will check one by one, okay? Okay, first
Yeah.
one, this one,
Okay.
the front shell assembly. The front shell, it's very easy. It's already included about the two screens, the one touch screen, one display screen, the two screen, and also the board, the screen board, and also the power button, and the built-in scanner. So in this part, we usually will have some issues about the display screen and the touch screen. So when we face this kind of problems, first one we have to consider the cable interface like this. 1, 2, 3, the 3 cable interface. And then we will consider about the cable or the laser board or the screen board or the touch screen the problems. So first one to plug and unplug the cable. And the second one, we will consider about the problems, the issues of the spare parts. So this part is very easy. So we will to check the next part. Next part is the movement part in here.
Okay.
Okay, the movement part. Movement part totally from here and to here, the front and the right side, the movement part. And we will see about this part, the movement part, we will divide into 3 parts. First one, you can see, if I move this one, the slots, I will say it is the input slots part here. So this part have one motors. I'm not sure you can see this motor, this black part. This is a motor to control the input slot. And it will control the cassette will be carried out from which slots. So this is the first part. And in this part, the movement part, we will consider about the sensor. The most important is the sensor, because the motor controls the motor controls the part to the different position, and the different position have their own sensor. So the first one, we have to consider the sensors, the most important. This is
And what is the
here.
sensor? What is the sensor?
The sensor, it means, okay, can you see it here?
Maybe. Oh, okay. It's a photo,
Yeah,
so.
because the motor will control to the different
Okay.
position, right? The
Yeah,
position have their own sensor, yeah. So
yeah.
this part, including the latest part, also we have to check the sensor already is good or not.
Yeah. And
Usually in the debugging software, right?
have a two sensor position or one?
This part, the input slots has a
Only one.
two sensors. This one
Two sensors.
is,
Yeah.
two sensors. Here has another one, the
Okay,
original
okay,
one.
okay.
This is the original position.
Yeah,
This is the last slot's position.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, up and
And
down.
other slots will depend on the debugging parameters, the different
Yeah.
position for the
Yeah.
different slots. Okay. So this is the
When
first one.
Sorry, when I have this calibration fail, what is the problem? What the method
Okay,
for calibration the movement?
Okay, the movement here sometimes, but now we will not face. If we find, for example, this motor to move to, for example, to this slot, right? But the slot is not suitable for the cassette to input the position.
Yeah.
I will take input slots, right? But the position is a little inaccurate, like this, not in the right place. So this time, in this situation, we have to open the debugging software and to check every slot, this model, the parameters is right or not in the debugging software. We have to check the parameters, the motor parameters is right or not. And the second, we can check the sensors are useful or not, the normal or abnormal. So this is two-way, okay. So we continue the next part, okay?
Sorry, the last question. This movement have a rail, no? Have a rail.
This movement, what?
Have a rail. The up, it's down, down rail.
It's down.
In a right position, in down,
Up.
near your hand. It's a rail, no? Sorry.
Sorry, I don't understand. You mean this movement is...
Sorry, one moment.
Okay.
L'unica cosa che mi viene in mente, ti dico sinceramente, poi chiedere a buon uomo.
Sorry, one moment. I send you a picture.
Have you already sent a picture or not?
Sorry. In a chat, I send the screenshot for look the rail, the movement of the rail. You show?
This just a fixed block.
Okay.
Yeah, to fix this part with the tape.
Okay,
just
with the belt.
Block.
This is a belt, no?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a rail.
This is fixed. We cannot adjust it.
Okay. He need a lubrification.
See it? Yeah, okay.
And this part need a grease, a lubrification. Sorry?
Okay, or this part. Yeah, I can see. I can hear you.
Okay, but this part need a grease, oil, lubrification, or grease, or no.
Scrivilo.
In maintenance ordinary, this part.
Okay, I can let you to see very clearly. Maybe let me adjust the camera. Okay, we can see it, right? And here has a motor, the black one, and it will control the tape and
Okay.
to move, and to move the slots. And this is a
Yeah,
fixed block
ha bisogno di olio.
with the slots base and with
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
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 Okay.
Right.
Ma non i dentini.
No.
Okay. So
Okay. Thank
next
you.
one. No problem. Okay, next one. Will the cassette be carried out from the slots? And we will see this one. We will into this part, right? So this part, we also have the two motor. One is here, and another inside. Maybe you cannot see it inside the machine. One is here. Another is inside. So this part, I will say it's the cassette pushing model. The cassette pushing model. It means when the slots into the right position, and these two models will carry out the cassette from the slots and to push the cassette into the printing position into here, and then when the printing finished, when the printing finished, and the motor will push the cassette into the output slots and go to here.
Yeah.
So there has two motors here. One is control the motor. I will show you. Can you see it? This part. This is the first motor. The first motor will control the cassette from the slots, the input slots, into the position, into the printing position. Go to there. This one.
Okay.
And then, into the printing position, and after printing the position, and we can see here, there has another motor.
Can you see?
For the output.
And this motor will take the cassette from the printing position into the output position. This one.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and later we can see. Okay, you can see it. The first.
这样不是，它调不了。怎么搞的？
是这样。
我不看。
OK，可以。
但是它还是
Okay.
Wait
It's
a
okay.
second.
我就把它取下来。
Tutto a posto. No.
Wait a moment. Let us give you the camera to see it. Yeah. Okay, the first one is here, this part. The motor is inside. So this motor will control this block to take the cassette from the input box and push the cassette into the printing position. And here, go to the here.
Yeah.
Okay, next one is this one. This motor will control another part here. Then from the printing position, after printing finished, and to push the cassette into
Output.
the output, right? So there has a two motors. Of course, there has a four sensors we can see. The first part is here. This one is the first one position, original position sensor. And the second one is the printing position sensor.
Okay.
And another is the third one is the printing position. Fourth one, this sensor is the output position sensor.
Okay.
So 1, 2, 3,
near.
4 sensors we can check.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. There has
Thank
four
you.
sensors. Okay. Okay, and next part we can see. We still have another movement part is in here. Because we know
Sorry.
when the motor pushes the cassette into the printing position in here, there has a motor, the flip motor.
介绍好烦。
There has a flip motor to control the printing
Okay.
position to flip upwards. Yeah,
Uh,
and when printing will flip upwards, and finish printing will up down, and then the motor will push the cassette. This is the
Okay.
whole process of the movement.
Okay.
And maybe I will use one to show you. First one,
Yeah.
right? First one to move, yeah, into here, right?
Yeah.
And then we can control
Okay.
this motor and to take out the cassette
Yeah.
into the printing position, right?
Yeah.
In here, and the flip motor will control to upwards, and now the laser
Ah.
printing. Yeah, and printing finished and up down, and another motor.
Active the motor for input output.
Yeah, the last one will take this motor and
Yeah.
then to push the cassette into the outlet. Okay,
It's easy.
finished.
It's maybe
So this
easy.
is a whole movement.
Wow.
So this movement, three parts. The most one, we have to ensure the sensor of the motor and the movement. Of course,
Yeah.
the last one we can check here. There's two, original sensor and the flip upwards sensor. 1, 2. 1, 2. Can you see it?
Sorry? Can you repeat?
Okay, wait a moment.
Sorry,
Maybe
I
here.
don't understand.
Yeah, this one. The one
Yeah.
sensor is here.
Yeah.
Yeah, one sensor is here.
Yeah.
These two sensors. One is the original position, one
Ah,
is
uno
the
sopra, uno
printing
sotto.
position. Yeah, that's two.
For quotation the hide cassette.
Yeah, the cassette. When the cassette in here,
Yeah.
it
It's up and
will
down
upwards like this.
for printing. Yeah.
Yeah.
And the laser is fixed, not move. Correct. The
Yeah.
laser, it's a fixed position, not. Okay. Laser itself.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the movement part. Also, this is the process of the printing position, or the cassette printing movement. Okay. And next
Okay.
one, the third part is the main part. The main part, I will say two parts. One, of course, the laser. Okay. Okay, wait a moment. Let us
Yeah.
fixed. Okay. Next one will be the third part. The third part is the main part, the main components. Of course,
Yeah.
the laser component, like the vibration lens, the vibration lens 和这个啥？叫什么呀？
还说那个叫准镜，准镜。
field lens. Okay, the vibration lens, the field lens, of course, the laser generator. And the laser generator has two parts. This is one, the laser generator, and also the big black one also is the laser. The black one, the big one. And here
Yeah.
is the supplier with the laser, and also the machine supplier, power supplier. And another, yeah, and another, this side, the left side, there also has a power supplier with the vibration lens for it. So this is the laser part. Of course, there has a laser board, right? So two lens, one laser, and also the board two supplier power supplier. One is for the laser and one is for the lens. So this is the main part, the main components, the laser part. And another also is we have the two boards, right? One is the main control boards, another is the system boards. So in here, we always to face into the problems, the issues with the two types. The first type is the printing effect problems. Of course, we will first to consider to change the parameters, printing parameters on the debugging software, right? On the debugging, like the speed, the power, the fitting spacing, right? And then we will consider about to change the spare parts, maybe the lens, maybe the generator, or maybe the board, right? Maybe the laser, maybe the laser board. So this is the first type problem. And the second type is when we will to consider the board, the control board. I will, for example, okay, if we have the problems with the screen, for example, we have the problem with screen, and now we already checked the screen itself, the screen cable, the screen board. We already checked it, and these spare parts all are good. So this time we will consider about the board broken, or some problems with the interface, or sometimes with the board itself. Another example is, of course, when for example, this model, the one movement of the motor move abnormally, right? And now we are ready to check the sensor, and we are ready to change the cable, to change the sensor, and all they are very good, they are work good, but still abnormal about the motor. So now this situation we will consider about if there has any problem with the control board. So there has two types problems. One is the printing effect. We will consider to replace the laser to laser board like this. And the second type is the control type, the control problem type. And we will consider about to change the board. Okay, this is two problems we will face about the main components. Okay, and the fourth is here.
Sorry.
And the fourth component,
question. Can I? No.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. The front shell, okay. The movement part, okay. The laser part, okay. The board, okay. And next one we can see here. This is the filter parts, the air purification module, like this. So in here it's very easy. We can see just the filter and the blower and also the pipe for the air. So, and here we can see there has an interface, right? And this interface will with external, I'm not sure your machine with the alcohol bottle. The one type is the alcohol bottle. The second type will be the external filter, outlet filter. So it will have an interface with the external filter like this. So it is very easy. It will not have some nodes to continue to check, but there has a one point is about to replacement the filter external. If you use the bottom, the alcohol bottom, I suggest you to replace the alcohol when you have printed about 2,000 to 5,000 prints. If you use the outlet filter, and I suggest you to about 10,000.
10. Okay.
If you
how
use
much full time?
Outlet filter, I suggest you to, when it's already printed 10,000 to 50,000, you can change.
Okay.
You can have a replacement with the filter.
But the machine notificate the change the filter? No,
Change the filter, right?
the device notificate with a warning to change the filter or no?
No.
Ah, no, we do not need to change these parts. We
Ah,
just do need to change the external parts, the alcohol or the external outlet filter. Inside, we
yeah.
do not change. Yeah.
Okay.
So
他
Okay.
说机器会不会有一个 warning，就是它快，好像没，
But
就是用完了没？
the filter, the command filter not have a board, no?
Yeah,
It's only
no.
no. Okay.
if you need, we can consider about to ended one if you need. For example, when you're printing about 10,000 or 50,000, and we can give you a pop window
Yeah.
to show, maybe you can check or maybe you can have a replacement.
Okay.
We
Thank
will
you.
consider to update this function for you if you need this warning.
Yeah.
So sorry, please. Can you repeat?
We will consider to update this function for you, just to add a warning for this using up of the purification.
If you need.
Yeah. I need. Yeah.
Okay, we will talk about with our department, the R&D department, and to talk about to update, okay? To have a pop window to warning, to have a replacement,
Yeah.
okay?
Yeah. The checklist when he notificate me the warning. You
Okay.
send me. You
So,
send me
yeah.
the with the email.
yeah, by email.
To Daniele.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. Thank you.
So let's continue our meeting.
Yeah. Hi, Matteo.
Okay, so yeah, we can see the
Not how are you?
front side, right? And the second, of course, the okay.
I'm not
The
hear you.
second, of course, the front shell parts, right? And also the main parts, the laser, the board, the two boards, and the laser part, the two lens, the supplier, the power supplier, the two power supplier. One is here, another is another side. And also the air purification
One
module, right?
supplier is for
Okay, one supplier
the
is here,
laser.
this one. This supplier
Yeah.
is for the laser and also for the machine. Another supplier is a small supplier. Here has also a supplier for the vibration lens. This
Okay.
supplier is for it. Yeah, so there
Yeah.
has the two suppliers, the two
Yeah.
boards. One is the control boards, one is the system boards, and here
Yeah.
is the laser board. Yeah, so all the spare parts are here, the modules, the components, and also the movement.
Okay.
So there have any problems if you want? Because
Sorry?
our machine actually the structure is a relative
Okay.
simple.
Do you have any problems?
No. For the moment, no.
Okay.
Okay, so there's all the components of this machine.
Yeah.
Okay.
No. You, Matteo, you have any problem with the any
No, problem no. I have a question to my delay. Maybe I forget this information. To open the front part of the device.
The front part,
The front part, the display. Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
with the screw?
which screw I have to remove to open like this?
Here, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay,
5, 6.
okay.
You can
Ah,
see the
sì.
screws and
Matteo,
remove.
sorry,
Dimmi,
Matteo,
dimmi.
è sulla... I speak Italian, sorry. Sulla destra c'è tipo una sorta di vite rotellina sulla destra
Ok,
del device e
ok.
lì se la togli è tipo un grano, se la togli poi si
Mhm.
apre, visto che è magnetico lo sportellino si apre e in tutte così, a delle volte la trovi anche
Sì,
in basso dove c'è lo scanner.
ok, ok.
Sai
No,
che
perché a me non me... Dimmi,
sì, 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 no,
dimmi.
o è vicino allo scanner o è sulla destra, the right part,
Ok, ok.
capito?
Ma glielo chiedo a loro pure?
Sì, prova, vediamo cosa ti dice.
Here. So,
Yeah.
uh, if you close the display,
Close.
So you don't.
o- okay, if you close completely, when after there are some screws that keep the display closed or not?
To keep the display close, what do you mean?
Close? No, not open. No, close. Okay,
For the
Yeah.
block,
that's for block the display. There's some screw or not?
Some what? Sorry, I cannot. Screws.
sorry,
Okay. There has
when
a one screws to close. Yeah, in here. Can you see it? Yeah, 这个没有. Sorry, this one
in a
we
down
don't have.
part, in this case, in a down part, have a screw.
Yes,
Okay,
I'm not sure your machines. Okay, usually it will have the screws
Okay,
at the bottom of the machine or at the right side.
yeah,
Maybe
okay,
in here or the bottom. And you can check
near
where
the
the
scanner.
big screw.
okay, okay.
Okay, maybe the one situation is in here. They have a big screws. Another situation is below the bottom of the front shell. Will have a big screws, and you can see it, and you can remove by yourself manually. And do not use this one.
Ah, okay, 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 okay.
Okay, and here also have a sensor. Can you see it here? Also has a sensor. It will detect the panel of the front shell panel, closed or
Mhm.
not closed. If you want to check,
Okay.
remember to close this detection in the debugging software. The debugging interface, you remembered the same like the old models. You can click the time about 5 times and enter the debugging interface and to close this detection. And you
Yeah,
can
yeah,
open
yeah. Okay.
and to printing and to check. Yeah.
No, non ho capito,
Ok.
Matteo.
Sì, 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 che c'è il sensore che ti controlla se la porta è chiusa o aperta.
Ah, the proximity sensors. Yeah.
Sì, ma non so se è un sensore di
Matteo,
prossimità o già.
this is the
Ehi,
screw for open the,
ok.
the display.
Ok.
Questa qua sul
Ok,
lato. Prima che, visto che tanto non lo fa vedere, quindi, capito?
ok. Sì, 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 infatti ha detto che la apri manualmente.
Sì.
Other question. I lost the first 5 minutes of the training.
Ah,
According to you, we record this meeting for you.
Okay, okay, okay. So I can watch the video to.
Yeah, so if you have other problems or confusions, we will contact by email, okay? We will solve your confusions and any technical problems.
Yeah.
Okay. Mhm.
so
When I
since
have the problems, can I call you? When I have the problem, can I call you or
Yeah, you
not
can
respond?
take part, no problem. We also
Okay.
have our surveys in the WhatsApp. I can also
WhatsApp.
share your number.
Sorry.
Yeah.
So you can leave us your WhatsApp if we are in trouble. We can
The WhatsApp
contact you.
of the surveys number.
Perfetto. No, niente, volevo
Yeah.
confermare. No, volevo
I'm
confermare
sure.
il contesto di lavoro.
Manda via Gianluca, Youssef.
Sì.
Si sente Wait a moment, Chris.
Okay, then in this technique support team, and maybe he can add you into this group. I can show you this WhatsApp group.
Okay.
You can because Daniel is in this group and also Germany. Maybe
Wow.
you can let them to add you to this group, okay?
Well,
Yeah.
Is a group. Ah, ok,
yeah,
ok,
yeah.
ok.
No, è per me, Youssef.